Okay, trying to do a market briefing for this week. Um, so far, I think I'm looking at the bullish sign right now. This is the 1 hour, the 4 hours, and the 1 day. I'm just gonna look at the uh, Dow. Why is it? Okay, I'm just gonna look at Dow right now. This is the YM, the futures, and then I'll just look at SPY, and then we'll decide where the market is heading, right? Okay, so for Dow Jones, this is the 4 hour. Let's do a retake on the key levels, right? So here, right here, and then we have one here, here, here. Okay. So we're seeing some potential to be a double bottom right here, but I don't think it's gonna be a double bottom. I think it'll be just a side, just ranging. Are we gonna see a gap tomorrow? Most likely. But I think we have a supply zone right here, right? We have a mini supply zone. Let's go to the 1 hour. Right. See, we have a supply zone right here. Somewhere right here. Okay. It's either, I think I have to go deeper. Yeah, it's this one. Just want to make sure it's accurate. Alright, we have a supply zone right there. Alright, now I'm gonna use every tool that I got. Okay, so we have this big impulse to the downside, and then we're looking for a retracement back. Alright, we were looking for a pullback. Alright, so the pullback is gonna be on this level, and then 618 line up perfectly with the key level on top right here. Okay, so I don't need to draw that, but just want to make sure we have a 618. Do you know you can put the notes over here? Then okay, I'm gonna just put the notes. I think you have to double click it. Yeah, double click it, double click the line, and then you type in 618 golden. Okay. Okay, that way you remember. If they ever break the range, yeah, we're heading up here or here. And then this one, double click it again, 0.5 golden gap. Okay, so we have these two right here, right? And then they follow all along, which is annoying. I'd rather it stays somewhere right here, but it's okay. Or maybe I should just mark it. I'm just gonna mark it right here. Okay, then double click it, 0.618 golden here. Alright, so once we reach this level, once we reach one of this level, I think to be honest, this is looking like a double bottom, but I don't think it's enough. I think there will be one more consolidation, creating a fake to the downside, and then they suddenly rally to the upside. I think that's what's gonna happen. Um, I'm hoping tomorrow will be short days, and then sometimes during next week, I think we're gonna head back up here, or maybe next year. Okay, so we have the Dow set up. So on this one, if this gets rejected, we're probably gonna be seeing. Let's do take on this one with Fibonacci as well. I think I don't know. I've been doing so well lately with Fibonacci. Okay, 618 it's been touched, and then it got bounced. Now let's measure this one just in case if they got pushed back tomorrow. We'll see some bounce right over here. Alright. Right between these two. We'll see some bounce, or maybe like if tomorrow is creating let's say this gets rejected, so our first target is gonna be here. We're gonna short the open market, first target over here, right? And then that is it for Dow for now. But because I'm looking at the a big consolidation, this is gonna go sideways a little bit longer, and then once it done, I think it's gonna create a fake to the downside, and then suddenly they push it back up, or maybe like we're gonna go sideways right over here and then break the 200, right? And then on this one, I think it keeps getting rejected on the 618 from here. Not really, but it's pushing through the 618. So I guess we might see things to the upside. Let's say tomorrow it gap down, then we will reach here. Let's say tomorrow we gap up. Be careful. Just watch the 200, and then if it breaks the 200, we're gonna go long. But be careful as well. We have a high previous high. All right, just be careful, because I don't think this consolidation is done yet. So on SPY, we'll do the same thing. A quick take. All right. A quick take on the Fibonacci's level, and then we have it here, and then we have it here, and then we're just gonna mark it. Alright, 618, hold on that. Then this one, 0.5, hold on that. And then we'll see it coming back up, the same thing. Let's do a quick take in 1 hour. I don't really see the supply zone. Maybe it's over here. Yeah, maybe it's over here. Yeah, somewhere right there. Okay, and then we'll do a quick Fibonacci right on this one. See if it already. Okay, so we get stuck by the 618, right? We get stuck. If it breaks, we're gonna see it through. So open market tomorrow, we go long if it breaks. But if it didn't break, if it didn't break, then yeah, this is the 0.618. So we're at the key level right now. 0.618 and 0.5 is always a key level. Say you make a key levels wrong, just want to make sure the 0.5 and the 618 is normally a strong support or resistance, right? Okay. Something like this. let's say if this goes down, we go back somewhere to the trend line, I guess. The trend line, if it gets rejected, we go up, but if it breaks below the 618, we go down, right? We'll just put it right here. Don't need to mark it. I mean, just do quick analysis. Like, let's say if it breaks down this level, we go down, right? We go down to the previous low, yes, the previous low, and then we'll see it's more sideways, and then we're gonna jump back up somewhere right here for the Santa rally. So it's around 403 and 398. All right. Heading on higher low. Okay, so that is it for DAOs and SPY, and then let's look at the other stuff. Okay. So quick look on Tesla. I think keeps dipping. I'm not gonna look at a smaller time frame. I'm gonna look at 4-hour time frames. Okay. All right. So Microsoft, right? I think there'll be some pullback on Microsoft soon, just like what Amazon's doing. Yeah, we're not even at the 0.6 yet. I think I need to remove some of the drawings. So annoying. I'm just gonna remove most of it just to make it clean. Just leaving the 4 hours. I mean, just leaving the 4 hours by itself. I made too many lines and then I forgot to delete it. Okay. So from here down here, same thing, just like SPY, and just like SPY. I'm not gonna mark it, but whatever. Are we gonna see it up here? Who knows? And then, oh yeah, this retracement right here. I think this one's a pullback. Just from this one right here, one's a pullback. Oh, let's pull out RG. Okay. So the pullback will be somewhere right here. If it breaks above, we'll take it to the previous high. Okay, that's Microsoft for now. Then Apple. I hate Apple, man. Apple from this impulse down. I just want to make sure. Alright, we bounce at the key level right here. This key level. The previous low. Okay, I think there will be some reversal on Apple very soon. I think there will be some reversal, but who knows? Um, I haven't checked the news yet on Apple, so I guess we cannot pull Fibonacci from here. Yeah. What is this? Okay. So these are the areas. If we go up, like I want to see it up here. Yeah, if you pull out the Fibonacci, it lines up perfectly with the key levels. So I'm just gonna put here, then I'll put 0.5 right here. That's it. Okay, that's done. Oh, and a little one. Oh no, I don't think we're gonna be playing Apple on Tuesday, right? So, we're just gonna be playing the market mostly. Then Tesla. I think I'm gonna start doing like a weekly briefing on Apple, and then the rest uh, on Wednesday, because I think it's further away from date to expiration. So Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday normally we focus on SPY, and then we can start playing the other stocks, the mini stock like Tesla, AMD, and then the rest. We'll play it on Thursday and Friday, or maybe Wednesday too, because it's closer to date to expiration, then we get more percentage, and it is less expensive. That way, we don't spend that much buying power. Okay, so we broke down this level right here. So we broke down this level previously, right? So I'm guessing like we're heading somewhere like the 4 hour level. Yeah, the 4 hour level is somewhere right here, and then alongside there's also a big demand zone. Uh, I think we'll bounce here. Like on this big demand zone, we will bounce for sure. We will bounce. Okay, so on Tesla, we just wait until it bounce, and then we'll play it somewhere on Thursday or maybe Saturday. I guess the production halt in Shanghai uh, creates that downside. Okay, and then we'll see Nvidia. I'm just gonna clean up again. Just wanna leave the 4 hour. Okay, done. Okay, the cleaner it is, the better. Okay, so we have 0.5 right on the key level. Maybe I put the key levels wrong. I'm gonna just pull it down to the 0.5. I think it should line up perfectly with the other. Yeah, it's this line right here. It should line up perfectly. Yeah, yeah, not bad, not bad. Okay. And then, oh yeah, shit, forgot. Then the 618, it's somewhere right here. Alright, 618, I'm just gonna over here, huh? And that's it. I think we'll see some pullback from this impulse right here. We'll be seeing pullback soon. So if tomorrow gap down, then this will be invalid. Because if this goes down, we have to stretch the Fibonacci some more, and then the number will not be aligned, right? And then just making sure demand zone is still far away. All right, but we have key level, right? Let's delete that first. I think I want to see, like, I want to pull Fibonacci's from here. Okay. Six 1-8 lined up. It's okay. All right. I'll just stick with this one because this is a bullish formation. But if you see a lower low, or maybe at this level, right? This level, we've been holding this level for about 2 days now. This is the first one. This is the second one. We held this level pretty strong. Okay, and this looks like a very big indecision, right? So if this goes down, whatever. If this goes up, we want to catch it. If this goes down, I don't know where it's going, because it has to be breaking this level first. It has to be breaking this level in order to go further down. So sometimes, like, if you put it right here and then suddenly they switch turn to the upside, which is annoying. That's why I rather, if I want to go put, I'd rather wait for it to break down, right? And then if this goes up, like, it's easier to play the Nvidia to the upside, right? And then we've been seeing like bullish momentum on Amazon lately. I don't know why. Okay, Fibonacci. We hit the 618, but it got dragged down again. I'm just gonna put like a strong key level right here, 0.5 and 0.6. All right. Are we gonna see it further upside? Maybe. Okay, so this one hasn't been retracing back. So the retracement back would be down here. Yeah. So if this goes down, we'll see it down here, right? That's simple. Open market short if it goes down, and then here, this one is a little tricky right here, right? You don't want to short something like this, right? You don't want to short it because this could bounce right on the trend line. It could bounce. There's no lower. There's no lower high. There's no lower high at all. We don't know anything about this. So if there's no lower high, don't touch it. Right? Don't touch it. What it's been doing is creating higher high, right? From this high to this high, right? I know there's some weaknesses right here because it's not creating a bigger high, but there's no. If you don't see a lower high, don't play put. Right? So I'm just gonna mark this as a key level. Key level. I'm just gonna change the color. I'll just put it right here. It's been very significant. Yeah, on this area, it's been very significant. I'm just gonna draw it green. Okay. Nvidia, Tesla is done. I guess everything is done, right? I'll see you guys next week on Tuesday.